The best marketing doesn't really feel like marketing. And that's what so many people don't get about going viral. It's not luck, it's a process anyone can learn. After working at YouTube and Google for 5 years, I've learned that process firsthand. After writing for Time magazine, I've learned what it takes to get millions of views. And after being ranked by Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Inc. magazine as one of today's top marketers, I want to share all those secrets with you right here in this course called Viral Marketing: 7 Secrets of Promoting Any Product. Look, this course has taken months of work to distill years of insights so you could digest it in minutes. There's no fluff content and there's no touchy-feely theories. Only proven techniques, tools, and templates that are ready to apply, whether you're marketing a product, a service, a personal brand, a book, a crowdfunding campaign, and so much more. Specifically, this course covers how to do the following: how to get millions of views, even if you're not in the sexiest of industries; how to increase sales by 22% by making a simple update to your marketing copy; and how to get influencers to promote you without payment; and much, much more. Above all, you'll not only learn how to get people to pay attention, but get them to pay, period. As an instructor, I also believe in being as hands-on as possible. That's why anybody who gets this course also gets my in-depth case studies and practice problems, so that way you'll be part of a community, not just some one-off course. So what are you waiting for? Get this course, join us in the community, and I can't wait to see you there.